DURA, minimum disruption for maximum rehabilitation result. Many urban wastewater systems have been in operation for well over a century. After so many years, sooner or later, damages will occur. Open trench renewals are expensive and time-consuming, especially for deep-lying sewers. Diversions, noise, and dust disturb residents and burden the economy. When rehabilitating sewers with DURA, however, new elements are inserted inside the old sewer. This method of pipe relining requires only a few manholes. Soil works are kept to a minimum. The road stays open. With extremely robust polyceramic, DURA lasts as long as a newly built sewer system. Perfectly fitted elements, individually tailored to the project, allow optimal use of space so that the sewer capacity remains practically the same. Elements are lowered to sewer level through an assembly manhole. One after another, they are then moved through the old sewer to their destination, where they are bonded together. This is achieved with transport aids, for example with skids and a winch. Side inlets are connected to the installed elements on site as required. The final step is to close the gap between the old pipe and the new one with a grout. Its flow characteristics ensure an even distribution and thus an ideal closed linkage to the old pipe. DURA hardly obstructs the organism of a city at all. The minimally invasive installation avoids disruption in sensitive urban areas and speeds up construction. DURA is the new sewer inside the old one. The system also works with complicated geometries and distinguishes itself with exceptional robustness and durability. DURA, sustainable sewer rehabilitation to keep the city for the people. Contact us about your project.